Hello, and today we're going to talk about user-defined classes. And I set up a main method within the field exercise. So the field is in the homework, but this main method is not. So first we're going to create a couple fields. Field one is a new field with the default values of corn and a length of 100 or a width of 100 and a length of 200. And then we're going to make a string called field name, which will get the field one get crop. So that's a getter. And then we're going to create a second field, and we're going to call this a flax field with a width of 200 and a length of 300. And we're going to create a string called field two name, and that'll get the crop for field two. We're also going to create an integer for field two area, so we'll calculate the area for field two and field one, and we're going to print out this statement here, which will give you the name and area of each one of these fields. And then we're going to set the width for field two because I made a mistake. Apparently, the flax field is a square, so we're going to set the width to 300. And then we're going to recalculate the area for field two area. And then we're going to print out the same statement describing the name of the field and the area. So if this all works, we should be able to run this and not run into any hitches. So here we go. The cornfield covers 20,000 square units, and the flax field covers 60,000 square units. And then in the second one, we changed the width to 300, so now it reads the cornfield covers 20,000 square units, and the flax field covers 90,000 square units. So I hope this was helpful. I hope this explains how to create or how to set and get things from a user created class, and also how to use a main method to sort of create some variables and test out your code. All right, well, thank you very much. Have a good night.